The pregnant mother in Texas who went to court seeking an emergency abortion has now gone to another state to get one. That's according to her lawyers. Kate Cox's decision came hours before the Texas Supreme Court ruled she did not qualify for a medical exception to the state's near-total abortion ban. Janet Shamlian has more on the decision in this first-of-its-kind court challenge.
The all-Republican Texas Supreme Court, in ruling against Kate Cox, said in part, some difficulties in pregnancy, even serious ones, do not pose the heightened risk to the mother needed to qualify for a medical exception to the state's abortion ban. Later adding, Cox's doctor failed to show her condition poses the risks the exception requires.
It shows that exceptions to bans on abortion do not work.
Nancy Northrup is the president and CEO of the Center for Reproductive Rights, which is representing Cox.
Texas is saying, we're not going to let you access abortion care, even though your doctor, in their good faith medical judgment, says that's the right thing to do.
I am going to grant the temporary restraining order.
A Democratic judge approved Cox's request for an abortion last week after the 31-year-old mother of two learned her fetus had a likely fatal genetic condition and that carrying it to term could hurt her chances of pregnancy in the future. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton filed a petition to temporarily stay that decision, sparking protests.
Stand for Kate Cox! Stand for women's rights!
On Monday, after Cox's legal team revealed she was seeking abortion care outside of Texas, the state Supreme Court sided with the Attorney General.
There are going to be other women over and over again.
CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman says Cox's case, the first to see a woman go to court seeking an abortion since Roe v. Wade was overturned, won't be the last.
They will happen in states all across the country until this issue is ultimately decided as to what is part of this medical exception, whether it's in Texas or elsewhere.
For CBS Mornings, I'm Janet Shamlian in Houston.